guys, welcome back to Tabitha's Baking and DIYs. It's weird saying that 2 times in a row because I literally just did this like an hour ago, but now we have another video. We're gonna do a really quick, fast, and easy chocolate chip cookie recipe. And this bowl right here, we're gonna go this. Well, maybe let me be nice to y'all. Y'all can't really see it because my thing's on an angle because I don't have a cameraman. But starting from this side, we have a box of instant pudding mix in vanilla flavor. It is 3.4 ounces. Here we have both white granulated sugar and brown sugar, half a cup of each. We have, obviously, the chocolate chips. We're not going to be using the whole bag. We're going to be using 8 ounces of this 12-ounce bag. If you want, you can add the whole thing in, but I have other things that I want to use the rest of the other 4 ounces for. 1 egg, large egg, some vanilla, 1.5 sticks of melted butter, which is 3/4. And then in this bowl for our dry ingredients, we have a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 3/4 cup of flour. So we're going to add our sugars. Don't do that. We're going to add our sugars to our main bowl and our melted butter. If you're like, why didn't you say turn your oven on to a certain amount of degrees? We're not doing that yet because we're chilling this dough for about 30 minutes. You could do it for 3 days. I don't have 3 days because tomorrow's the Super Bowl. I'm doing like a dessert charcuterie board. So yeah, we're gonna do this for tomorrow. This kind of reminds me of cinnamon applesauce. But after that, you're gonna add in your vanilla, 2 teaspoons. That might be a full tablespoon. We don't know, and I don't care. Oh, this goes first. I'm getting a double pack of vanilla. Mix that together. That's what that looks like with that added. Not really that big of a difference. Now we're going to add in our egg. You could use a whisk for this part. I'm not. The only whisk that I have clean at the moment is this, and I hate this. You could put it in like your pot and use it then, but for bowls like this, I don't like it. Now we're gonna add in our dry. I'm gonna do half first because I think it's gonna be easier on my arm. Okay, that's what my batter looks like. Okay. I'm going to first do this, so just end up pouring the whole bag in. This is a 1/3 cup. I don't have a cup like measuring cup like this. I don't know where half of them are. Okay, well, go on ahead, and if you're like me, you know that using the ice cream scooper thing is like so much more easier than anything else. Go ahead and get some parchment paper. You don't need to use foil like I did. It's just that I don't have any parchment paper at the moment. I only have wax paper, but I'm not putting that in the oven like this because the last time I did it, I felt like my house was about to catch on fire. So don't do that. Don't be dumb like me. But yeah, it'll give you the perfect amount of dough. I don't remember how many cookies it made. I'm pretty sure it was probably about like 30 to 40 cookies. And this is what they look like all done, all nice. Everybody loved them. So try it.